Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss, lag spikes, hyping on Fortnite. It will be a complete guide with every step that is possible to fix that. So let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go on Epic Games library, find three dots here, then go to press on manage. Then here you need to write minus limit. As you can see here, limit client ticks, and then launch the game. Look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to Task Manager, then go to Performance, three dots, Resource Monitor. Then look for Network, and look what apps uses most your internet data, and then what you need to do here, if you don't use them while you play the game, you just need to right click on them and end process. And then do with all of them that you don't use, and then start to play the game. Also, what can give you packet loss, hyping, and more is your GPU drivers. You need to make sure that your GPU drivers is fully up to date, depending on what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is I can go to drivers and install latest drivers. Right. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open a browser, test your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And always, if there is a possibility, use Ethernet cable. Also on Google, write Fortnite server status, and probably it will be the first link here, and look if the servers is not down. If the servers is down, you just need to wait until it will be fixed, and if it's not, we can proceed with other steps. So other step that you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to put a few commands. So the first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. Then go to settings, and on settings you need to look for network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset here, and reset now. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. Also, make sure that on the internet connection, VPN is not connected. Your primary internet is running. Go to Control Panel, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Internet Connection, Properties, then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select Use the following DNS server addresses, and on Preferred DNS server, write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up Epic Games, and then you need to go to Library, press on the three dots, go to Manage, press Installation, here, and then you need to look for Fortnite game, binaries, Win64. And then what you need to do here is to copy the path, then go back, go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, paste. Then you need to add Fortnite Win64 shipping exe. Add. If you got this message, don't worry, this means it's already added. And then you need to add a Fortnite launcher, right? And then add a, as you can see here, Fortnite client shipping exe, this one. Add it here, and then close this. Then go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to press on virus threat protection, manage settings, add a remove exclusion, press yes, add an exclusion folder, and then copy the path, and then you just need to add a Fortnite folder here. Select folder and add it. Then what you need to do here, you just need to write run. Here you need to write gpedit.msc. Then you need to look for Windows settings, then select policy-based QoS, right-click on it, advanced QoS settings, and then here make sure Control DSCP is selected and also ignored. Then you need to right-click again, create new policy, then just write Fortnite, write year 46, next, then select only applications with this executable name, then open up a Epic Games, go to Fortnite, go to manage, open file location, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, look for Fortnite client Win shipping exe thing here and copy. Then what you need to do here is to go back, paste, and then you just need to write .exe, press next, and here select TCP and UDP and finish. Restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. And if this did not work, I highly advise you to use ExitLag. I used this when I had a shitty internet connection. So basically what it does is simply it will find the best route for your connection, the best server, and the closest to you, and it will connect to that. Because your typical internet servers, not in all times, will connect you with the nearest server with a lowest ping and the packet loss. So all you need to do here is to launch Fortnite. Then you need to go to choose region servers, select automatic here. And then what you need to do here, select all regions. And then you just need to apply routes. And then play the game. It has free trial, 72 hours. And the best part of it, you don't need to put any credit card details. And then you get 50% off of your first purchase here. As you can see here, it costs around $5 per month. But nevertheless, you don't need to even put your credit card details or complete the payment. You just need to create an account. And once account is created, you can download ExitLag without any credit card details whatsoever. And then you can enjoy it for 72 hours, like I did it here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.